What's up, you guys? Hey, it's your girl, Chris-centric. Okay, I don't know. Either, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be making this video because it's been a long time. Like, it's been almost a year. Oh, shame. It's been almost a year since my last video, so yeah. I need to do this, okay? And I'm really excited about doing this because, you know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I thought, like, let me show them how to make a 3-piece heart set. So that's what we're doing today. And the most important piece of this video is really this heart top right here. Oh my god, like I tried it on with this, even this turtleneck. It's cute. It's cute with the turtleneck. It's cute with anything, okay? But yeah, this top, I'm going to show you how to make it. And before I start, I just want to say, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help a sister out. Share this with your mama, your grandma, everybody. You know the drill. But yeah, let's get into the video. So what you're going to need for this project is your top, your heart-shaped scissors, rotary cutter is optional, and of course your sewing machine. But anyway, y'all, I was too excited. I didn't even get it before. I just started cutting. So I cut out my bottom piece. That's going to be my skirt. Now I'm cutting out my sleeves. We going to use every piece that we cut out because we don't want no waste, and we all about sustainable, baby. Sustainable, okay? So we stripping this top down to the bones. Remove everything so you can have a piece like this. Now we need room to work because, you know, it's just like, it's tight right now. So we're going to cut this open, cut along the hem on both sides, and boom, you're going to have one big piece that you could just lay flat. And now we could work. We could do our thing. So I'm taking my heart, I'm laying it on there. As you can see, my heart is longer than my fabric, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. I had to have a skirt, so you gotta sacrifice something. So my heart ain't gonna be a full heart. It's gonna be something else. It's still gonna be a heart though. So I'm just gonna cut it out, and boom, you should have something like this. So if you want a full heart, you don't have enough fabric, you can just grab a piece of fabric, lay it on there. You're gonna do this before you cut out your heart piece. You're going to line it up like that. Then you're going to cut. You're still going to have two pieces that you got to sew together, but that's okay. So, yeah. Now I'm just going to my sewing machine, doing a zigzag stitch all the way around. This material is really stretchy. So, as I sew, I'm slightly pulling on it, and it's making this little wavy thing that we call lettuce hem. Lettuce hem. I don't know why I said that twice. But anyway, y'all, about to make the straps. It don't matter how long you make them, you just need something to tie around your back and your neck. That's it. So I'm just pinning everything together. I actually ended up sewing it right side facing each other. I use my serger. Let me tell you, this baby right here, my favorite thing in the whole wide world. It be serging. It be doing its thing. So I sewed it, and now I'm inverting it right side out. So I sewed it the wrong side, showing. Now you got the right side. So we're looking good. Add it to your top and sew, and you're done with this. You're done. So now we're gonna work on our sleeve. So I'm just trimming off everything, cleaning everything up, making sure it's even, everything is lined up. I don't really have to do anything to the sleeve other than hem the bottom, the raw edge that we cut out. Where we cut is where we hemming. So I'm doing a zigzag stitch. As you can see, I'm slightly pulling off on the fabric as I sew to make the lettuce hem. Anyway, I just like saying it. But boom, we're gonna work on our skirt. You seen how the lettuce was looking on that, on the sleeve. I'm using my favorite skirt that fits the way I like to trace out this pattern. You don't have to use the rotary cutter. You can just use your scissors. But yeah, so you're gonna have a skirt like this. Once you remove it, boom, the skirt shape, that's what we're going for. And now you're just gonna take your pieces, put the right side facing each other, so we should be able to see the wrong side piece. The wrong side, yeah. Pin everything together, make sure everything is lined up and even. You can even trim stuff off if it's not. Then take it into my sewing machine. I use my serger. You can see the white thread or whatever. Boom, add a little lettuce hem to the bottom. Boom, and we done. Like, that's it. Still cute. I really like it. Next time I'm gonna try to make the full heart, and the sleeves are removable too, so you can wear it like this. And that's it. It's something slight, something simple for Valentine's or whatever. Okay, you guys, so it's a wrap. Okay, that is all I have for you today. I really appreciate y'all watching this video. Let me know if it was helpful. If anybody end up remaking this top or this set, please tag me at Chris-centric so I can see and I can share it. You know, I love stuff like that. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your mama, your friend, your grandma, everybody. Okay, because I need that. And if you have any video suggestions, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see. Help me help you, which is also helping me, because sometimes I don't even know what to make. So I need ideas. So yeah, that is it. I am done talking. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to be centric, live centric, and stay centric, because I'm Chris Centric, and I'm out, y'all.